I'm going to show you everything that you receive with your Vactidy vacuum, how to assemble it, and then a live demo of me using it. So you get your head brush, your vacuum stick, your dust cup and power source, the battery that goes on there, a couple accessories, an extra filter if you ever want to use it, your battery charger, cord, and then a wall mount with screws, so you don't need any hardware if you want to mount this on your wall. So let's go to assembling it. They make the assembly process very easy. There's no screws or bolts that you need to put together. You can just snap stuff into place and you're ready to rock and to use your vacuum. So I'm going to vacuum my carpet, so I'm going to install the vacuum stick and the head brush. But if you want to install the different accessories, they can just snap on to your vacuum stick or right into the actual power source. But let's head over and turn it on. So there's a button to turn it on, which is the trigger, and then this button right there controls the different speeds. They allow two different suction speeds, a high and a low. And one thing I like about this vacuum, well, actually a couple things, but first is just how quiet it is. It doesn't disturb my whole house when I'm vacuuming. My old vacuum did that, so this is really nice to be able to vacuum and not annoy everybody. Also like the head on top of the brush. And the third thing that's very nice about it is just how easy it is to swap out the accessories. So you can go from vacuuming your carpet to your couch or under your furniture, whatever you need to do in just seconds. They make it really easy to do. And now let's clean out the dustpan. So to do that, all you have to do is press a button. You can easily dump the dust out. If you ever want to remove the filter, all you gotta do is unscrew it, pull it out, and you can clean the filter. Overall, this vacuum is simple to use. It reminds me of like a high-end luxury vacuum, but at a very affordable price. So I'm a happy customer, 2 thumbs